Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like, subscribe and leave a comment down below, it really helps out the channel. Make sure to go in the description and sign up for Blofin as well. I've just partnered with them to give you really good bonuses for signing up. It's totally free and I think you get a $300 credit for futures if you sign up and deposit a really small amount. So really good to get started with trading. There's loads of benefits for being on the platform as well. I think they are doing a competition to potentially win a Tesla if you're trading as well. So loads of great benefits at the minute. Please do go down there and check them out. They are a very good exchange that I have just partnered with. I've been wanting to partner for them for a while, so really good to see that. So we're taking a look at Polygon then on our daily time frame. As we can see, we are basically just looking like we are chopping sideways in this bear market range still. We've not really seen that much movement at all for Polygon in either direction. You can see basically putting in a range anywhere from just below this 0.23 Fibonacci level here all the way up to that 618 Fibonacci level up towards, I would say, around 125. Anywhere from around this 50-cent level to 125. We've basically been going sideways for the vast majority of this bear market. And even with this bull market, we've had this really significant sell-off for a lot of altcoins. Most altcoins absolutely slaughtered right now compared to Bitcoin and maybe a few of the other top 10. I'm looking at you, Solana, Ethereum doing okay as well. But mostly the top, apart from the top 10, even like the top 5, I would say, pretty much every single altcoin below that in the top 100 has been absolutely smashed to the downside at the minute. And you can see quite clearly here that we have been getting absolutely destroyed pretty much for the most part. For Polygon here, you can see basically just been going sideways, not really had any major movement to the upside at all. We obviously had this nice relief all the way up to 125 at the top of this range area at the 618 Fibonacci again. But obviously with Bitcoin starting to go sideways at that point and heading down, we've had a massive amount of selling off for Polygon, but getting very overextended at these lows now. The bullish divergence is coming in as well. I would expect, as I've been saying, a bounce in this area. I did take a long position here, which is coming back up into a break-even-ish situation right now. But really, buying these low areas, I do think we're probably going to see continuation and a bounce at the very least to the upside for the altcoin market. Too overextended for my liking. Overall, Polygon looking like it's just chopping sideways, waiting for Bitcoin's move to the upside to get a relief rally. But I do think it's coming, and I've been taking this trade on a lot of altcoins, so let's see.